Hello, my name is Jeremy Bream. I'll be presenting my capstone project for upgrading Prince William County's data center and updating online data capabilities and continual update program. Okay, let's begin. Prince William County is located in northern Virginia, with sustained population increases of at least 25% every decade. Projected population estimates in 2030, the population will reach 519,928. With these increases, Prince William County must continue to improve current services and maintain its competitiveness with surrounding counties. Prince William County currently enjoys lower unemployment percentages not only within Virginia but the U.S. overall. It also placed within the top 20 highest average incomes per household in the country. The maps on the right-hand side illustrate current mapping capabilities offered by the neighboring county of Fairfax. Political changes include that of the vast racial and cultural makeup of the population. As Quantico injects a significant amount of tax dollars from the federal and state employees, clashes with jurisdictions is a continual powder keg, both politically and economically. As the population continues to swell, county services are stretched thin as they have to encompass rural and crowded city environments. Technologically, improvements have to be weighed in comparison to the stability of the system and not infringe on its ability to provide for its residents. Also, the expectation is that residents have on what should be standard offerings. Resident dissent can stem from changes made from also the lack of changes as well. Legal issues range from language barriers to international visitors, close proximity to state, federal, and international jurisdictions. SWOT analysis, you can see the strengths. It has a strong revenue stream with continued population growth, but weaknesses stemming from the length of time it takes to invest in services and opportunities consisting of improving public perception. With keeping with the technological improvements and demand for an increased amount of services, Prince William County must transition from a data system that predominantly catalogs and archives its data to one that continues to sift through the data and identifies trends early on to generate critical information by also offering online transactions and presentation of information that can be presented in government transparency and provide data for its residents to make informed decisions. Currently, in order to obtain data from Prince William County, it must be made in writing and submitted in person for a nominal fee. Exceptional attention to detail must be exercised in any form and route and specifics. The proposed solution to implement a parallel connection that would be used to filter data, restrict private and open investigation of data, and load it into a data mart that would support online data interactions and visualizations. Also provide current generation analysis tools that would provide greater automation functionality of menial tasks. The timeline is slated for an agile style development cycle so as to benefit from incorporating last minute changes that are frequent within government contracts. Waterfall method would prove to be too high a risk of failure and overall waste of money. What the gap analysis shows the top 3 issues with the current situation and the future state results of where we intend to go. Path forward actions outline the idea of how to solve the issue with granularity depending on which selection or which option is selected. Data collection is simplified as it is an existing system and only has to be queried for the required data needed, to include the event time, event type, and location, and to restate the data being used is sanitized and publicly available without special paperwork. The data structure to the ETL system querying the central database on a scripted time frame. Data mining software will provide the ability to investigate trends ranging from standard numerical correlations to decision tree analysis, just to state the minimums. Techniques for analyzing the data or reviewing the information against the metrics, including the time of day and season, social and economic trends, and also sporadic events like burglaries can be tied together into a trend driven by factors such as unemployment or riot conditions. Here we see examples from the three offerings. Microsoft offering both the ability to visualize the data and also provide ETL services. Tableau does a wonderful job of visualizing the data, but does not have a robust behind-the-scene features in order to process the data. Orca itself is pretty, but it's also very expensive. As here we break down the estimates based on license and training for 10 analysts that will be distributed across the country, or the county, my bad. Microsoft provides the most significant advantages as its maintenance can be absorbed into the Microsoft contract that already is established with the county. Anticipated benefits, you'll be receiving early warning and analytical capability. They also have data availability to the public, along with mapping and statistics provided. And also with a breakdown of the ROI for the 5-year budget, comes to 3.25. And in conclusion, the three areas of the solution will add substantial county analytical capabilities, offer the ease of online access to data, and the ability to visualize county information like population and neighborhood changes to the police and rescue events in the jurisdiction. Though return on investment is lower in comparison to other solutions, it will compound and will save lives in the end. Thank you.